Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class. I am your Mohan sir from Lucknow Model Public Inter College. In last online class, I had started chapter 22, that is probability. Okay, so today we will do some more questions from that chapter. Okay, so let's start. This is the first question. Read it carefully. Read it. A bag contains 4 white and 6 black balls. Bag contains 4 white and 6 black balls, all of the same shape and size. A ball is drawn from the bag without looking into the bag. Means all the balls are in the bag and balls are of the same size and shape. Okay, so that we cannot recognize that which color ball is this and which color ball is this without looking. बिना देखे हुए हम लोग नहीं जज कर पाएंगे कि कौन सी किस कलर की बॉल है. ओके, इस तरह की बॉल्स हैं और बैग में रख दी गई. सो नाउ वी आर drawing one ball from that bucket, or you can say from that bag. Okay, so question is, find the probability that the ball drawn is a black ball, a white ball, and in third part not a black ball. So first of all, just note the given things in the question. Number of white balls are 4, number of black balls are 6. Total number of balls will be 6 plus 4, that is 10. Total number of balls will be 10 in the bag. Okay, now we have to find, in first part we have to find probability. P stands for probability of a black ball. So the formula for probability is number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So if we are drawing, if we have to find the probability of a black ball, okay, then what is favorable number of outcomes? Favorable number of outcomes is black number of black balls. So 6. Okay, and what is the total outcomes? How many balls are there total? Total balls are there is 10. So 6 upon 10 is the probability. Now just cancel it. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, and 3 upon 5 left. So 3 upon 5 is the probability. Okay, now see, in second part we have to find the probability of a white ball. Probability of a white ball, same formula, number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. If we are drawing a ball and we have to find the probability of a white ball, so number of favorable outcomes is number of white balls, because we are finding the probability of white ball. So number of favorable outcome is 4, and total number of outcomes is 10, because total balls are 10. 4 upon 10 is cancel it, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, so 2 upon 5 is the probability. Now probability of not a black ball. So not a black ball means white ball, simple. Not a black ball means white ball, because there are only two colored balls. So number of favorable outcomes will be 4 and total number of outcomes is 10. So 4 upon 10, on cancelling you will get 2 upon 5. So in this way you can solve it. Now see another question. Question number 2. In a single throw of dice, find the probability of getting a number 4, then 6, and then greater than 4. Okay, 3 probability we have to find. In a single throw of dice, dice all of you know जो लूडो में पासा होता है. ओके, और आपने देखा होगा, ऑल ऑफ यू हैव सीन दिस थिंग दैट देयर आर 6 नंबर्स रिटन ऑन द डाइस, 1 से लेकर के 6 तक, चाहे डॉट बने हों या 6 नंबर्स लिखे हों, इसी तरह का होता है. 1 से लेकर के 1 2 3 4 5 6 तक होता है. ओके, नंबर्स लिखे होते हैं या डॉट. So if we are throwing a dice, so what is the probability of getting a number 4? The total number of outcomes, if we are throwing a dice, so total possible outcomes there are 6. 1 से लेकर के 6 तक कोई भी नंबर आ सकता है. Possible outcomes are 6. So first part, event of getting 4, और 6 टाइम्स में से 4 कितनी बार आएगा? एक ही बार हो सकता है 4. ठीक है, 4 उसमें कितनी बार है? एक ही बार है. 1 से लेकर के 6 तक सारे नंबर एक एक बार लिखे हैं, 4 भी एक ही बार लिखा है. तो इवेंट ऑफ गेटिंग 4 इज 1 ओनली. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग 4 इज नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स. Favorable outcomes is 1, because 4 is written only for one time, and total number of outcomes are there 6. So 1 upon 6 is the probability of getting 4. Now in second part we have to find the probability of getting 6. 6 is written only one time there on the dice. So probability of getting 6, favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Favorable is 1 because 6 is written only for one time, and total numbers written on the dice is 6. So 1 upon 6 is the probability of getting 6 also. Now in third part, greater than 4, probability of getting a number greater than 4. Greater than 4 means there are two situations of greater than 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 5 and 6 will appear. So 5 and 6 are, there are two numbers. So probability of getting greater than 4, number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So favorable are two situations. If we get 5 or if we get 6, then these are favorable to this condition, greater than 4 condition. So 2 is the favorable, two conditions are favorable, and total outcomes are 6. So 2 upon 6. On cancelling you will get 1 upon 3. Understood? So this is the way of solving dice questions of probability. Now see question number 3. Suppose S is the event that will happen tomorrow. Suppose S is the event that will happen tomorrow. So any event that will happen tomorrow, certain. And probability of S is equals to 0.03. Then find PS dash. And find PS dash. So first of all, given thing we have noted here, PS equals to 0.03. And what does it mean, PS dash? PS dash or PS bar? Okay, both are same things. PS dash means event will not happen tomorrow. PS means, if PS means probability of S means event will happen tomorrow, so PS dash means probability of event will not happen tomorrow. Okay, so I had told that probability of an event will happen and probability of event that will not happen, the sum of both these probabilities will be 1 only. Okay, so use this formula, probability of S dash will be equal to 1 minus PS. So 1 minus PS is 0.03. On subtracting you will get 0.97. So this is the probability of this is the probability of S dash. Okay, now students, you have to solve a worksheet related to the questions of probability. Okay, just practice these questions and note the explained questions also in your copy. Thank you, students.